Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we are going to check out the new Lanciley Invisible Magnetic Eyelashes and Eyeliner kit. So this kit was sent free to me, and I actually did try one of the lashes. It does come with about, I believe, 5 pair of lashes. So I'm going to try all of them on for you today and test all of them out, show you guys how easy it is to apply and all of that. And it does include, so it actually includes 6 pairs of false lashes, 10 cleaning cotton swabs, 1 magnetic eyeliner pen, and 1 traditional magnetic liquid eyeliner. And it just takes 4 simple steps to apply these. So step 1 for the actual pen liner, not the actual liquid one, is to press the button on the top of the pen until it clicks. Apply the magic eyeliner along your lash line and let it dry. Use the tweezers to pick up the eyelashes and just put them on. It's supposed to be that easy. They aren't supposed to, come off or any of that throughout the day until you want to actually take them off. So the steps are to shake the eyeliner prior to use, press the top button until it clicks, wait 5 to 10 minutes until the eyeliner tip is soaked with liquid, and after applying the eyeliner, wait at least 1 minute before putting on the lashes. And I just remembered that I actually do have to cut the lashes to actually fit my eye. So I'm going to grab scissors really quick. So I did go ahead and grab my handy dandy scissors. And now let's open this up. So this is what it looks like. Oh, the tweezers fell out. Okay. But this is what it looks like once you open it up. These are the cotton swabs, all the lashes, the liquid liner. This is the pen felt tip liner, and then the tweezers. And it does come with these instructions as well. And it pretty much just, shows you how to apply it. And if you do want to use the actual liquid, it shows you how to apply that as well, which I love. So I'm going to start off by taking the tweezers, taking off this little jelly thing that's holding it together, and just grabbing the first lash. So I'm grabbing the top one, and I'm just going to measure it to my eyes just to make sure it fits, because when I had tried them the first time, I did not measure them. I did not cut anything off, and they kept poking me in the front, So make sure no matter what kind of lashes you use, always measure it to your eye and cut whatever needs to be cut, because you don't want to keep poking yourself in the eye. So I'm going to measure this to my eye, and I am just going to look down in a mirror, place this on my eye. And while I was doing that, I did notice that I had to actually cut quite a bit. So I'm not going to cut from the front, I'm going to cut from the end. And just take my scissor and cutting a little bit off of there. Now I'm taking the tweezers again, and I'm going to measure it again and keep doing this, cutting little by little until it fits well. And I think this fits now perfect, and I'm just going to do the same thing to the other lash. Okay, so now to actually try on the lashes, I'm going to use the pen on one side and then the liquid liner on the other. So before I did use the liquid liner, I do like the liquid liner, I have not used the pen. So we're going to see which one sticks better and everything. But I am going to show you each lash and how each of them look. I already did cut all of them to my eye shape, so I don't have to do any more cutting, and I just gotta test them out for you guys to show you what they all look like. Starting off with the liquid liner. So it is black, so it literally is like a liquid liner, and you do have to make sure you put enough so that it actually sticks, so that the lash actually has something to stick to. now I'm doing the liquid pen on the other eye. So I do like them both. I do notice that the liquid liner side is actually shinier than the liquid pen side, and I feel like the liquid pen side was easier to use and like it went on smoother. Like this line I accidentally made it too thick, and with the pen you're able to like get it super thin. Well, not, you know, as thin as you would like. It's easier to get a thin line with a pen in my opinion. Now I'm just going to take the tweezers and then the very first lashes and put them on so that you could see what they look like. Literally, they just stuck right to my eye. These are like way too long for me, but they are very cute. I love how like wispy they are. And I'm not wearing like any makeup. If I was wearing makeup, this would look way better. And let me just show you again like how simple it is. So you literally pop it on and it like, it's done. You could adjust it if you want, like if anything is like out of place or anything, but this eye is actually fine. And let me just show you how easy it is to take them off. So like literally, you just pull them right off. Like that's it. And the eyeliner underneath is not messed up or anything. Now I'm going to show you the next one. So this one is having trouble like sticking in the inner corner. Like every time I blink, that one just comes off. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to apply more of the liner on there and see, like maybe I waited too long to apply it or something, and that's why it's not sticking. So I did apply it along the whole thing. What I like is that when I applied it, it didn't pick up any product that was already there, which eyeliners actually tend to do, which I hate. And this one did not do that. Now we just need to wait like a minute, like the instructions said, and then apply this lash, because I might just have to like keep reapplying the liner once I take off the previous lash. Let's see. Okay, so here are these. These are the second lashes in the kit. And I just feel like both of these eyes look different. I don't know why. Like the curl looks different or something. But I do really like how this eye look. It is like a flare type lash, and yeah. And putting on more glue definitely worked because the inner corner is no longer coming off. Now for the next one. Let's see if this is still going to stick. Here are these ones. I think these are like super cute. They are like pretty natural, but very cute. Now while I'm pulling this off, I don't know if you guys could see, it took some of that liner with it. And this one, it didn't take like any liner with it. Next ones, I'm not going to apply more liner just yet. Okay, so these are the other ones. These are the ones that I actually did wear already. And again, this eye is having a trouble with the inner corner staying. So for the pen, if you ever like take off your lash to like adjust it, like, you know, take it completely off to like do anything with it and then put it back on, you will need to apply more glue. This side with the liquid, it seems to be staying on like perfectly fine no matter how many times I change it. The only thing is that some of the liner actually did come off with the previous lash, so because of that you might have to apply more, but with this one you will definitely have to apply more, you know, whenever you take it off. I don't know if it dries down too much, if it demagnetizes or like what, but the inner corner is definitely like popping off right now. But yeah, I think these are very cute too. Next one. So I did end up applying more glue to this one just so that it would stick. And here are these. I actually really like these. These are like super natural looking, and like these are just beautiful. They look like a more enhanced lash, you know what I mean? especially if your liner wasn't as thick, it wouldn't look as crazy. And if you actually had mascara on, that would like help blend everything in better. But this is super cute. And now for the very last lash. Okay, and these are like super duper natural. Again, if you didn't have liner that was this thick, you would be able to see it more, especially if you were wearing mascara. It would, you know, look way better than it does right now. And I actually really like these as well. And again, let me just go over what I think about these products. So I feel like the liquid liner works way better than the actual pen. It did not lose its magnetism, I guess, or like stickiness, whatever it is, with the change of each lash, which I love. This one did. The only thing is that this one is shiny. So this one is way shinier than this one. This one is like a satin. This one is like a glossy. So if you are putting on your lashes, you're pretty good just putting it on like the first try and whatever. This is perfect if you like satin. Once you put it on, the lash is not going to come off as long as you put it on the correct place. Once you take it off and like adjust it, I'm finding it more in the inner corner, then it's not going to stick. You're gonna have to take it off, wait a whole nother minute, and then reapply it or readjust it or whatever. This one I love because no matter how many times you take it off and readjust it, it does not lose its magnetism. The only thing is that this one does lift. So the product does lift with the moving of the lashes. This one, when I applied more, it did not come off. This one I didn't try applying more or anything, so you know what, let's actually do that right now. Let me just take this off. Look, the corner is like coming off again. It does not remove any liner. It just, you know, smoothly like glides right on top. So this one already I do prefer than the actual pen, but I do prefer this finish, and it was smoother to apply. This one I made it thick like right away because this product can be like that. This gave me way more control. So it just depends on your preference. The lashes, I do feel like they're pretty good quality. The one that I did try on, it literally stayed all day. The only thing is that removing it was a pain in the butt. It's just like removing lash glue. So they did give 10 of these cotton swab things, which I believe are supposed to remove it or whatever. And I'm pretty sure with actual, I didn't use makeup remover, with actual makeup remover it should be able to remove, but let's see how easy these things remove. So I believe this is just to like take it off the tip if you're doing like a winged liner or whatever. So I don't think it's actually supposed to be to remove the whole liner. But I am like struggling to remove this side with what was provided. Now let me see the other eye to see if it is as difficult. So I feel like this side is as difficult. I see like the color coming off, but not like the actual product. It doesn't look like it's actually coming off. So now I'm gonna grab actual makeup remover and cotton swabs to see if I could remove it that way. So I have the Neutrogena makeup removing wipes, and I am going to try this to see if this does anything. And if that doesn't work, I do have the Drunk Elephant Slay Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser, which I will put on, well, instead of on this, I feel like I'll actually put it on my fingertips and like try to rub it in like that. So let's see if this works. So already it does seem like it's working. It's just taking a while to actually come off. Let's see if the other side is like any easier or anything. So So again, I feel like the color is like mostly coming off. Like what I mean by that is like while I'm swiping it, you see the color like transfer back here, like it's pushing the color off. But this one seems to definitely be removing easier than the liquid. Now I am going to try this just to see if this will actually work. And just put a little bit on this eye. Do anything. So right now it does seem like the product is loosening, and I'm just gonna take the makeup wipe to like wipe this off. So I didn't get all of it off, but I did get most of it off, and I feel like that made it way easier. So the makeup removing butter did make it way easier to remove it. Now I'm just gonna use the makeup removing butter on the other eye. So as you see the color coming off, I feel like this is loosening the product already. And I'm just taking that same, oh my god, makeup removing wipe and wiping it away. Okay, so I feel like there is definitely a little bit more left, especially on the lash line on this one, but it did seem to remove like more smoothly and evenly. Like this one just has like a little bump of like product left here. This one is like smoothly over here. So yeah, I don't know if you guys care about that, but I feel like that is a good thing to keep in mind. And overall, I like really like this product. It is super easy to apply. The lashes, like literally once you put them near the liner, it literally just wants to grab on. You just have to make sure you like center it well enough so that it's not too close to the inner corner or like too close to the end. The only thing that I do recommend is if you get any of that product on your lashes, do remove it, because then it would want to stick to your lashes instead of like the liner upon the initial application. And I do really love this. I feel like this is a great product, a great concept. I do just wish that they were easier to remove, but then again, any lash glue I always have difficulty, so I feel like that's pretty normal. And I just wish this would like stay as magnetic when you like adjust it and like take the lashes on and off. That's the only thing, but I kind of do like this one more because of the satin finish that it has. It's like smoother to apply, easier to apply, you get a thinner line and everything, but I love it. I recommend it. And what do you guys think? And I did not mention this, but you can get this product on Amazon, and it is pretty reasonably priced. It's probably the price of like one Lily Lash, Batty Bee Lash. I'm pretty sure it's like cheaper than that for 6 pair of lashes that like stick on and stay on all day. So yeah, you can get them on Amazon. I will leave the link down below. No, it is not an affiliated link. Okay, I'm getting nothing out of this at all. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so happy to be back. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you did really enjoy it, please share this video with your friends and family or anyone who may be interested in it, and leave a nice comment down below. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and see you guys later. Toodles!